guys. So, the first thing you're going to want to do when starting up your grill for a nice cook, some foil in your drip pan or drip bucket if you have a Traeger TM. And you put the bucket right there. Open up the hatch here, and then remember that it's not plugged in, so let's plug it in. Then you hit the on button, and then you put it to smoke for about 2 minutes until white smoke appears. Now you just stick it to your desired temperature.
Smells so good.
I know.
Smells like carrot.
Okay guys, so we got a beautiful whack of ribs right here. Okay? First thing you're going to want to do is look at it. Do they have ribs? Are these ribs?
Yeah, there should be ribs.
I'm just kidding. There's bones. That's how you know they're ribs. There's like 13 of them, I think. I don't know that much about meat. But I think it's on like a cow like this. If they were an animorph. Now we get the seasoning. We've got the famous Dave's rib rub. We're gonna use that today. So, from everything I've seen online, just kidding, I totally tested this all out myself and learned nothing from YouTube videos.
Delicious already.
These actually do look really good. Are they like prime or something?
Probably? I don't know. I just went, oh, there's one slab of them. I'm gonna grab them.
So you want to bind it, right? This is mustard from Cavaretta's Deli that we saved from when we got a big sandwich.
I think I still have that
uses this much freaking mustard. I don't understand how you could. Whoa! And you're gonna want to take anything and just put it on the ribs. Rub it down a little bit. What?
Oh, okay.
Now that the meat is all rubbed and they're ready in the mood, I'm gonna throw some spice on it. Whoa, my Jesus, that's all to rub. A big slab of pork. Now we're gonna throw it on the grill. Then you just have to give it a little love tap. What? Alright, let's put them on the grill. Alright. Damn, it smells so good. These on basically all freaking day. Yeah, you can do like 3 racks of ribs in there at a time. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Get this edited tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Can it just...
Actually, yeah, they are getting a little close to the top.
Yeah, I can see.
I'll turn it up one more notch though. That way it'll probably stay around 250 because let's check on these ribs. They've been in there for about 3 hours. Those look pretty good. I think it's time to flip them over. Oh, actually, that's a little bit.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Both Panthers. Load them back up and I'm gonna start basting.
Okay. Take the whole bag? Do you think? Alright, so tell me what's going on.
I'm putting barbecue sauce on the ribs. This is what the fat guys told us to do. So that's what we've done.
Grilled them? It's falling apart already. Ooh. Ah. Man.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Gee, this is good.
Smells good.
And now let's oh, dang, look at these, Mom. Look at these. These are delicious. Time for the grand finale.
There's no way you're cutting it.
Oh yeah, everything gonna be good. Alright, trying to taste test it. Mmm. Mmm.
Now I gotta try. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh.